Hi, Bagal. Bagal? Gang, girl. Hi. Later. Latish. Sukumarantalish. My God, your name. Thank you for that likes. Latish. Good. Vanilla Gorilla. Wala yung masa saludos. Hi. Janice, Federico P. De Pedro Carvajal. Ayan. Cam. Pedro Carvajal. Thank you. Bonitas Ojos. Thank you, 15 million. Suarez. Hello, Luis Antonio. Ano? Papabungto ka na
Ano
pa.
oras si Marale?
Alas 11.
Alas 12?
Alas 11.
Oh, di Marale yung lupo.
Mm.
Ang panagabihan nila.
Oh.
Ano yung lupo?
Beautiful. Ela habla español. Morning,
Nasa ko
Rodrigo.
hinali sa sapatos.
Ito pa ada. Di man ito ang gagamitan niya. Rubber. Yan. Did you sleep well? Thank you, Rodrigo. I sleep. I sleep fine. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Don't forget to like, friends. Thank you for the likes. Me despido. Tengas bonito. Ya hermosa. What it mean? Pedro. I'm not feeling well. Good laziness. Yeah, I'm not feeling Stalin. Hi. Get up, let's dance. I can't. I can't dance now. Even jump. My legs is like can't move. Ano. Well, chicken sing. God bless you. PC dish is not in the mat. God bless you too, Miller. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Bye, Rodrigo. Ako suka ka mo. I means, Nanda. Nanda. Ah, can you speak Nanda? Beautiful. Oh my God. Nanda, can you please speak English? Thank you for the likes. Beautiful belly. Then I said, Brian, game over. Huh? Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Love you, Cheryl. Hi, sister. Old man. It is 5:30 a.m. Get up. The sleeping late beast. I'm not feeling well. Old man life. Use this. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you, Chester. Thank you for joining. It's 6:30 there. What time here? 6:34. Just kidding with you. Hope you better soon. Thank you, old man. Thank you for joining here. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for 22 people here. Thank you, guys. Okay, Mr. Technical Hot Jockey, guess. Get alive, Hot Jockey. What? Where are you from, old man? Well, you don't like the Bicol. Oh my god. No, I just don't like them like you, Hot Jockey. From the USA, Georgia. Thank you for joining old man lives. Thank you for joining here. And I'm done. At least another time done. Oh my god. No, ba't yan? Di ba yan na-charge? Yeah. Oh my god. I check a nose. Oh, Chucky knows the time. Wow, what a night you. I will make us for you being a damn horse. What? Oh man, big baby, you can check her. Take her, my friend. Thank you, all man. And now all mine, you will never come back. Goodbye. Hello everyone. Hi Buzz. Chen TV.
Ilay, adik ka na. Ilay, adik ka na man ah. Hoy, adik ka na man ah.
See, Cheryl knows you are numbers.
Ano man.
What Dunbars means? Old man. What Dunbars means? I don't know. Aray. Di ka maano ka mapabungkuin ng mga ka. Kaya di ka maalis. Ouch. Only for 14 people. Then we have Marat. Good morning. Thank you for the thumbs up. Ayan. Waki-waki. Morning. Sama pakiramdam ko. Ano nga, mabigat. Morning, insan. Bigat yung ano ko. Parang nakakatawan ko. Parang ako tatrangkaso. Good morning, Sheryl. How are you? Not feeling well today. Thank you, guys, for joining. Thank you for the likes. Try, you can talk in your language. Always. Thank you, Insan. Kumusta? Ano, may trabaho ka ngayon? Ito pa. Ano, mga bigat. Para akong ano, trangkaso. At ang lawas. Take guys, and gargle ka ng warm water with salt. Salamat.
Ayaw man. Ayaw man puputos na. Ay, balik. Kayo malalak na siya. Ano, ma'am. Ano, ikulog. Nandra. Hindi bisa. Magkaya. Ayun. Kira.
Sige daw. May pasok ka ngayon. Isa. Cause may pasok ka. It's a good time. I'll check English. Who's always talking to someone on language. And in San, Tim and I were break up. No need to it's fine to it's okay lang to magsalita ng Tagalog. We're already break up. I'm off today, guys, but tomorrow, yes, yes we are. Di ka maano kay alas 11 ka mo maano. Dadarahon man niya no. Mapabor kita. Di ka mag-eskwela niya. Yes, we are. Yes. Speak your languages. Like we'll break up. Last yesterday, another day. I think it's having a. I think maybe it's good. Less stress. Happy, shall tell the truth. Busy ka. That's so sad. Probably are not more patient and understand. It's really, really hard, but I really respect you guys, whatever it is. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Ano, kasalanan ko lahat. It's all my fault. I'm not a good one. Maybe Tim, much better. He deserve better than me. My mistakes and all, my mistakes and my faults. So he will, Tim deserves a good one. Not me, I'm not good enough. Whatever it is, hope you guys stay as friends. I don't know. I don't know if I stated that it's weird. But my plan is my plan for me and Gab is So, Scar continues. She is looking for someone. Na-stress ako dun bigla. Oh my God. Si Luz. But whatever decision you have, guys, I will always respect. It just be strong, yes. Yes, thank you. Need to be strong. I'm not. I think I admit that I'm not. No, I'm not good person that time. So, hi guys. So, so by her decisions, yes, no money or food. Yeah. My cousin knows I'm really, or my cousin, she knows that I'm nothing. A lot of money or food, but he know, she knows me. She know me. Mm, damn, I don't think so about so much jealousy will kill the relationship. I knew it. Oo, masiloson sobra, grabe. Sabi ko, so, wasang ganyan. Entero na lang. Entero. Bahala ka siya. Na, bahala ka man. Ano man. Tim said, maybe I felt starved because he don't send me money. I said, let me see. Maybe he thinks I'm not so bad because, like, let me see. I'm not jealous. She is a very controlling, too jealous. I can't even go play polo with my friends because there are girls there. Damn, she is strong. Food and money are easy to find as long as you are not lazy. Tim said, I I cannot eat food enough because hin dahil hindi na siya magbibigay sa akin ng pera. Sabi ko, let me say. Sabi ko, sige tingnan natin. Kung mag-aano daw, maghiwalay ka. Sabi ko, sige tingnan natin. Ako ba ba? Sanay ako sa wala. Ako pa ba? Ayan, hindi ko pa naman ugali magmakaawa yung mag-ano. Bakit? Pera lang yan. Will always, Char, can you respect your language for now on? Oh my, we lived before. How much more today? We live more nothing. Yes. Yes. What about now? We have lots of ways. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Cars. Oh my God. Ganyan pala sa ano, no? Now I know. Kaya pala, iniwan mo yung ano. Now I know. Ano, insan. Ay, not ko. Palaban tayo. charge used to her almost 6,000 pesos a week. Yeah. Idea guys, so tayo pa ba? Yes. And guys, he think I'm not somebody. Yes, it's she is complaining now that he gave me that. Remember before he said he gave me everything, but now look at him. He complaining me now. Oh, he complaining. Oh my God. What an attitude you are, Tim. That's why I told you before. Well, speak English now because you are taking. That's why I told you before. Remember, Tim. You choose to good with you. I always say I'm always say that to you. You need to know me more. You need to choose to be that. Look at you now. What happened to you? Because of my gob. You know what, cousin? She act like that because of gob. My son talk English today. Even my son, oh my God, my son is just is my life. Oh my God, you don't understand to be a parent. I'm a mother. I'm a parent. What about Gab? Yes. Let's talk about that. It's about the no. Okay, well, okay, well, if you want to know, I talk hard. Also, I will talk about this because this is the time for him to I explain my side because he took my sister, he took my cousin. Oh my God, what a privacy! Took a lot. Maybe my friend Les is talking about our breakup. I don't expect I didn't expect she did that, but I think it's good to know about that. He said, I said, he questioning me about being a mother like you, my son, like me. I never experienced that. I have a lot of opportunity since kids, since lack of opportunity because we are nothing. No, no chance to do with that. But being a mother, I will do everything for my God. I will do everything, anything I can do it because he's my only one son. And I said, he can't, I can't do it. So I'm not do it. I understand this point, but as a mother, I'm supporting my son, my kid, my child. He don't understand what um, he wants to do with Scott, and I said no right now, but she didn't listen to me for him to wait, so she took the money I sent her and bought the stuff for him. Ini Inisip niya na yung perang binigay niya sa akin, he think the money that he gave me, I bought my the for Gab Scout. That's a mindset of being a mother or being a mom. I think, oh my god, that's what example. Oh, he think I use it about that. I didn't say he can go. I just said wait, but she didn't, and she told me. She told him, but she lied, and she never told him to wait. You told me not now, but the scout is right. It's now. It's happened now. You said maybe he will join next, but Gab wants to join now. I told you I'm not lied. Oh my god. So now she has no food for mom or dad and she decides to do what she wanted. So what? He had to wait. Oh my god. He, Tim said no food because he not sending me money. So he think we're not I'm not I can't have buy food for my for yes. Oh, he did it. Really don't know me. Oh my god. Char, if it has nothing to do with school. If it's about for school, the school is fixed. It's about for school, the Boy Scouts. And I'm also helping her pay. Oh my god. Look in sinabi ko yun sa no, I cousin, I told them I have 100,000 pesos debt. Oh my god. Look. Hello. look look at him now. My god. What? Okay, so you lied about that also. Boy Scout is about the school, and that's a fixed school, Jijo. And if the child really want it, you need to support. Yeah, need to support it because the every school just only five. So Gab is the one participate of the school. It's appreciated to be a mother that na oh my god, my son is uh choosing one. Char, it's not I was a Boy Scout. Ano yan? Pati ba yan? Broadcast? Yes, he broadcast a lot. You know what, insan, my sister, he messaged my sister, my cousin, my May. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't understand. Why? Oh, it's a very, ano, oh my god. Oh my god, this man. To share a lot about, I never said lie. I said, look at you now. You tell about that because you broadcast here now. Look at you now. If you want to, if you helping me, I'm not, ano that. You know what? Before I met you, you said I can. You said everything that so. Oh my God. So, sabi, before Stem said, I give you everything. I something like that. Oh my God. It's the word I give you everything. It's like a scam. Hello, I know them. I know what my cousin is thinking about. It's a Boy Scout, not Boys Out. It's a different one. In the Philippines, like Gov ages, Boys Out is not good. We don't have. Yes, maybe he mistaken my. Maybe he think is a Boys Out. It's a very different here. The Boy Scout. It's about school. Wrong. He spelled Char Big Deal. I know, Char. I wasn't it. Ano, ayun na. Oh my, magkitid man pala nung sabi. I know a Boy Scout. Hello, Robert Walker. You can join here. Are you a man like Tim? Ang daming nawala na ligoro yun. Oh my god. Okay, Char, you don't know all why he did. I'm a real nice man. Really? Real nice man. A real nice man. Oh my god. So stop charting. In our province, like Gab ages, we don't allow them to have boys out. Yes. Yes, I don't allow boys out. It's a very different here. Oh my god. Salamat. Oh, my eye is problem. It's fine, Robert. Where are you from, Robert? Thank you for the joining the live and witnessing our conversation here with them. I don't understand. I'm from USA. Oh, hola. Fabian Almedo. Okay, Tim, we need to say bad words here. Thank you for 14. Thank you. We always thank you, Insan. Thank you, my cousin. Oh my God. Next time, if someone tell me, the man, someone tell me I give you everything, you need to be answer. Ano? Are you sure? Are you sure? Nakakaloka. Yes. Oh my God. My kulay. I can't. I can't imagine. I can't. Oh my God. I'm speechless. I'm a speechless. Look at him. Look at his broadcast here. She, he talk about. He took my sister. He took my cousin's hair. Oh my God. Sure, talk now in your language. It's about me. Oh yes. Oh my God. Kinausap niya yung ano, yung kapatid ko, yung pinsan ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano mga sinabi niya, pero kinausap niya. Kaya wala na ako tiwala sa lagi. Yung mga control niya, yes, tama.
Bali saga ka makapakawit. Kasi yung na rin nag-duty. Balik magupit ni ko.
Nakakaano, nakakawalang, ba yun?
Parinig ng lusog. Parinig Roy. Sige sa tao.
Kasi as a mother, mama ako, I'm a mother. Alam mo po yung nakakabuti sa anak ko at yung anak ko. Siyempre, susuportahan ko yan whatever happens para sa ikabubuti. Bibigay ko yun. Kahit iwanan ako ng mundo. Kahit sino pa yan. Kahit sino ka pa. Makikipaglaban ako. Anak ko yan. Pwede mong i-alisan. Pwede mo akong iwan. Huwag mo ibigay lahat. Basta yung anak ko, akin yung anak ko. Anak ko yung supportan ko yung anak ko. Ipaglalaban ko yan. Ganon sila insan. Nakakarelate ako dahil ganyan din ginawa nitong isa. Tapos, panga ako. Diba? Now I know, sana, at least, when next time, if someone, I need to be sure that kailangan
Lubid.
no, bakal ka kita lubid. Kailangan natin na sigurado. How I was missing, oh my God, Jamie. Oh, ganyan. Kaya I need to be, kailangan maybe need to be a successful on our own. Kailangan natin kumita sa sarili natin, mga kaumay. Kasi kapag sa lalaki tayo umasa, nako, wala tayong ano. Kaya kong kumita ng pera. You need mud to wise so much. Kaya kong iniisip niya kasi, nagtatrabaho ako dito as a volunteer. Kaya sinabi ko talaga na konti lang yung sahod. It's not enough. But that's hindi niya inisip. Pero, hi guys. Hi Golden. You watching? You Pino. I am asking Tim the money that he sent me, if I to being need to turn back him, because I don't like complaining. I don't like that, because in the first place I told him whatever what everybody doing. Look, you can bend, you can backward Golden, you can backward to understand our conversation. You need to. I'm not explaining this before when you're asking Golden, but now I think you will understand what's happening. Sorry, cause nawala ako. May tumawag. Sige lang, okay lang. You two work it out. It's not working. It's getting worse now. My Golden team, I messaged my sister about the breakup and my cousin. I messaged, she messaged him, and I don't know I don't know how to. I don't know what he's saying, but whatever it is, the reasons, it's enough. Yes, I did. I don't care. Yes. So look, can you maybe you can background the the conversation here, Golden? What he's saying, we're talking about. So I think he will then stop. Cheryl, he don't care. You, you Golden, you're also an American. I don't. I, I'm a specialist. I'm a specialist, Golden. Yes, I'm a specialist. What American guy is that? No, Golden, it's not worth sitting. I can't. I can't believe. I tried many times in the same result. If you are angry, talk it out. But don't do that here. Pag ang problema ay lumabas sa inyong dalawa, lalo na sa public or social media, it is done. Wala na. The damage has been caused. Nothing. Yes. Wala na. Nothing anymore. No more. No more now. It's over. You, I told them he's my he told my sister he find better than him. Good job. American. American. Oh, I said what the broke up. That's all. Hope you I don't know I need to I need to go on myself now. To move on. American Style by Insania. The American Style by yes. Remember before? Oh my god. What you want the car? What the brand car you want? Remember? I remember. Oh my god. Ay, buti na lang. Oh my god. Buti na lang. Thank you, Lord. To American Style. Is your maghap. Is your name maghap? Jadori. You don't know shit about American men. One was smart, one divorce should just be strong, yes. Stay strong, yeah. Oh my god, pati. Diba? Look. Even you. He, oh my god. He didn't know about the story about you and and your ano, and your ex-husband. Ano, I'm not feeling well. No kiss now. No kiss, no kiss. I'm not feeling well. Bye bye. Love you. Advance happy birthday, Ash. Bye bye. But everything, you're right. I will never argue. Yes. No need to argue. No need to argue. No need to argue. Oh my god. Tim, take a break and calm down and get yourself together and work it out with her. Don't do this. You beautiful, Abby. Golden. Well, American, the divorce you so really needed something wrong, but I don't care. You don't know the story, Tim. You don't know the story. You filed the divorce. You don't know the story. You crossed the line about that. You are crossing the line. You need to. I don't want to know it. Yes, you don't want to know it because you don't know. That's why you crossed the line about my cousin. Stop it. Know your limits. Do not do this. Don't do this, guys. Yes. Time. Know your limits. Fight off. Line. Time. You don't know anything, even a little, and I don't need to explain it to you. Thank you. Thank you, Insan, for being understanding. Oh my God. We need to. We need to. We need. We don't need to fight. We don't need to argue. Sorry. Sorry. Thank you so much for 10 people now. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Ang layo-layo niya dati. Good morning. Hi, John. Thank you, John. You're right. I don't know what. I don't want to know about it. That's your deal. Thank you. Thank you. You need to know your limits. You can tell me whatever you want, but not my cousin. I don't allow it. Yes, thanks. I have a great day, Sam. Thank you, my cousin. You're the best. Inside. I pray for both of you guys can work this out. Can't work it. It's over. I told him last chance and that's over. So many chances. I'm go to Thailand. Yes. Thailand, there are so many women. You deserve to enjoy your life. You deserve it. Um, good job. Enjoy. Good luck. Many, so many. Hot babes. Good luck, Tim. Just be careful over there. You need to be enjoy your life, Tim. You just hurting no. Been before. You need to enjoy your life, Tim. You need to. You deserve it. You don't. You don't mean that. Whatever, but he just expressing himself. Golden, he just expressing himself who he are. So it's fine. That's good. Have fun. Enjoy life, Tim. Life is short. Enjoy it. Yeah, you deserve it, Tim. A lot of so many beautiful women in the world. Thailand is the one and the beautiful woman. Vietnamese, everywhere, whatever you want. Lots of so much beautiful, hot, very hot, many. What's going on, Cheryl? John, you can decorate the conversation here. John, thank you so much for joining here. You will understand. Then stop with the anger. You haven't worked it out and talk to her. The food is good too. Yep. You deserve it. Then you deserve it, Sam. Just enjoy your life. Go, go, go. Go Thailand. Go, my Sam. And sorry.
Grabe ka bulgaw, kung ang bayag mo nabili, nabili na.
Yes, but in Thailand it's good. Explore the world, them, yeah. Go, go, Laban! She care for you. She care for you then. So stop with the top. Good job, them. We don't care anymore. Just do what you want. I don't care anymore now. It's been if she cared, she would not lied. From now on, I don't care anymore. Do what you want. Thailand, go Thailand. Go, paglaban mo yan. I need to go now because I need to end the live now. Thank you for joining. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you, cousin. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, John. Who's here? Who's coming here? Thank you guys for joining. Thank you, Tim. Thank you. Bye-bye. Chance topic ako. Kumusta na ang typhoon dyan ka sa Cebu? Too much? Oo nga. Okay lang yung typhoon dito. Yung bubong namin, tumutulak. Flood above the roof, yes. I'm thankful that, very thankful kasi okay kami dito. The bigger person, be the bigger person. This bye beautiful. Okay lang yung dito. Thank you God for protecting me and my family and community here in Bicol province and talk without anger. Yeah. I'm not lied. I tell everything. I tell everything. He tell me a lie because he talk about the friends, my cousin, my sister. He talked to him without he is spying me. So that's why it's okay, but on Cebu, minsan, yung kinakausap niya, yung dito, kaya sinasabi niya, nagsisinungaling ako. Malay ko pa, yung kinakausap niya is the same person na dati na nangyari sa akin. Naalala mo dati, na nangyari sa akin, kung ano-anong pinagsasabi sa akin. So, wala akong, kaya sinasabi nila, busy kasi ako sa trabaho, baga, alis-alis ko. Sheryl, block me on. Okay, I will block you again. Thank you. I told you, you blocked me. You guys been holding this work, this shut up. Yep, nothing. It's over, Golden. Now I know. It's better to live, hang a peace of mind, having a respectful man. Sheryl I'm Black Cam. Bye guys. I need to, ano na, before I need to prepare. May sumisira ba sa'yo dyan? Dati pa, I'm not black. Work it out. Not working now. Too much damage na. He said, I can't do it. Tim said, I can't do it. I'm moderate. Yes. Okay. Tim said, I can't do it. Bye. Okay, Tim. Bye. Bye, Tim. Sabi ko na nga ba eh, naniniwala naman itong isa, ewan. Yup. Yup, yeah. Yes. Yes, oo nga. Ano na nangyari na yun dati, Golden Ben. Bye guys, stay strong. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Don't worry, Tim. I can manage my channel. I'm not part of this. I can do it. I can manage my channel. Bye everyone.